Why is my Java class not found when running the jar, but works in IntelliJ IDEA? When working with Java, especially when using an integrated development environment, IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA, you might sometimes run into a perplexing issue. Your project works perfectly within the IDE, but as soon as you try to run the exported jar file, you get a class not found error. This can be incredibly frustrating, particularly if you can't figure out what's going wrong. Common causes. To resolve this issue efficiently, it's important to identify some common causes. Incorrect main class configuration. When you run a jar file, the JVM needs to know which class contains the main method. This information is stored in the jar's manifest file under the main class attribute. If this attribute is incorrect or missing, Java won't know where to start. Class path issues. The class path tells the JVM where to look for classes and packages. If classes are located in places not listed in the class path, they will not be found. This can be a common issue if your project depends on external libraries or has a complex directory structure. Differences between IDE environment and external environment. IntelliJ IDEA provides a controlled environment where class path and dependency management are handled automatically. However, when exporting your project, you have to ensure that the external environment matches the configuration set up by the IDE. How to resolve it? Here are practical steps to resolve the class not found error. Check the manifest file. Open the manifest file, usually meta-inf/manifest.mf, and ensure that the main class attribute points to the correct class. Verify class path. Ensure that all necessary jar files are included in the class path. If you have dependencies, they need to be bundled along with your main jar file or specified in the manifest file's class path attribute. Package all dependencies. It's often beneficial to use tools like Maven's Shade plugin or Gradle's Shadow Jar plugin to bundle all dependencies into a single jar file. This ensures that all the runtime dependencies are included. JavaFX applications. If you are using JavaFX, make sure that the JavaFX runtime environment is correctly referenced. JavaFX may not be part of the standard JDK, depending on the version you are using. Example manifest file for JavaFX. Here's an example of what a manifest file might look like for a JavaFX application. In this example, make sure that the JavaFX SDK is properly placed in the specified directory. By understanding these common issues and knowing how to address them, you can ensure that your Java applications run smoothly both inside and outside of your IDE. If you've tried all of the above solutions and still encounter issues, there may be more specific problems related to your particular environment or project setup.